Hello guys, now in this video I'm gonna show you how to bypass email verification on any website. In some cases we have to sign up on any website or register on the websites, then we can use the disposable emails or the fake emails, and if we enter our original email on the websites or register with them, so they can find us and using the our email. And in the hacking, if we anonymous or using VPN and or the Tor browser, something like more tools, and if you enter your original email for the verification on any website, then they can find you. So you can use this for any on register any websites. So let's go ahead, and first make sure that you have subscribed my channel if you are new, and if you have already subscribed it, so thank you guys, thanks so much. And if you didn't was subscribe and new on my channel, so make sure please subscribe this first guys. So let's go ahead and take a look on this. So first open your browser. Open your browser, and here search for the disposable emails. There are so many websites available on the internet for the fake emails, so but I will use this one, gorillamail.com. okay, so go to this website, gorillamail.com, and here you will get a email, and just open a website on which you have to register. As I want to okay, just wait. And you can also create a new fake Google account or the Facebook using this disposable emails. Okay, so I want to just online logo maker. Here I will find a website for the signing up, that is the placeit.net. okay, so I will sign up on this website using this email. So just let me first copy this from here. Okay, wait. Okay, so here just go to the sign up option here, and now it will ask you for enter your email, username and the password. And a new email will be created as often as you refresh this page, that is gorillamail.com. but remember that don't refresh this page during the signing up on any website. So just paste your email that you have copied on from the website and enter the password. You can use any random password as you want, any numbers, alphabets, digits, something. Okay, so just I agree, click on this. I am not a robot. Just do that all. Okay, bicycles, there is no bicycle. Traffic lights, yes, I can do. Verify. Yeah, so let's click on the sign up here. Okay, sign up. Now we have completely signing up on this website, and if this website sent an email on the notification or verification email on the website, then we will get there. Otherwise it will not send, then we will not get. But here we have signed up. You can see now we can able to see this option log out. It means we have logged in this account with the Gorilla Mail. Okay, so there is no email from here, so we can now use this and get its more features after the signing up. So you can access any website or get registration on any website using this fake email or the disposable emails. So you can also create a fake Facebook account or the mode, something like this, but I will tell you, please don't do this for the bad works. Use only on your self protection. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching. I will see you again in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. And until you didn't like the video, so first like this and press the red subscribe button and also the bell icon for never miss any future updates. I will make video in future like this related to hacking or the programming. So please guys, subscribe my channel for never miss an update.